Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your Logitech G435 headset. First things first, turn off your headset. To do this, press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds. Once it's powered down, press and hold both the volume up and volume down buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until the LED light starts flashing rapidly. That's your sign that the reset process is in progress. When the LED flashes, release both buttons and wait a moment. The flashing will stop on its own, which means your headset has been successfully reset to factory settings. Now, turn your headset back on by pressing the power button again. Then, reconnect it to your device, whether it's a phone, PC, or gaming console. And that's it. Your Logitech G435 headset is reset and ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out our next videos for more quick tech tips.